Hi, today we have Ford Focus with 1.8 TDCi engine. I'm going to show you how to change the oil and oil filter. I'm going to raise the vehicle because the oil filter is from the lower side of the engine. I have raised the vehicle, so now we have to remove the plastic cover under the engine. There are 7 bolts with Torx 30. Now we can see the oil filter. I'm going to open it anti-clockwise. I have opened the oil filter. When you open it, it's going to leak some oil through here. Next, I'm going to open the plug. The plug can be opened with a 13mm wrench. I have opened the plug, so now I'm going to wait for the oil to drain. While I wait for the oil to drain, I can install the oil filter. So now I'm going to turn clockwise to tighten it. And I only have to tighten it by hand. The oil is drained, so now I'm going to install the plug. I have replaced the O-ring of the plug. So now I'm tightening clockwise. And now I can install the plastic cover under the engine. I have installed the plastic cover. Now I can lower the vehicle and refill with oil. I have lowered the vehicle, so now I'm going to refill with oil. To refill it, I need around 5.6 liters of oil. I'm using 540. I have refilled with 5.6 liters of oil, so now I can check on the oil dipstick. Now I can notice that the oil is a little more over the max, but the engine is not started yet. So we are going to start, and it's going to fill the oil filter, and the oil will be exactly on the max. So now we can check the oil level again. I have cleaned the oil dipstick, so now I can check the oil level again. So now you can see the oil is exactly on the max. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.